Good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Miran. Today is 5th September. This day is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year. First of all, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Teachers are our second parents and our role models. This day encourages us to respect and honor the teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who made an immense contribution to the country as a teacher, Vice President and second President of India. Our teachers are great. They do great efforts in shaping our minds. They love educating us. They inspire us to love learning. They teach us better lessons, which is not only in the textbooks but also about general and moral things. They inspire us in all aspects. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts, and we are thankful too for your love, care and support. Thank you.